Hello and welcome to the CATIA V5 3-axis milling machining course from EDST e-learning. CATIA is the world's leading solution for product design and experience and is used in different industries like aerospace, automobile, defense, etc. CATIA V5 3-axis milling machine course will be beneficial for users who have some exposure to CATIA V5. By the end of the course, you will have a deeper understanding of milling machining process by learning the advanced tools used for CATIA V5 3-axis milling machining and will be eligible for the opportunities available in the industry. I hope you have completed the CATIA V5 Part Design 1, CATIA V5 Part Design 2 and CATIA V5 Assembly Design courses. The recommended version for practicing the exercises is CATIA V5 R21 and higher versions. Each chapter covers step-by-step process of milling machining operations. It is recommended to learn each chapter sequentially as each chapter will add a new skill and familiarizes you with the 3-axis milling machining. In this course, we will discuss about machining process, machining tools, CNC machining and 3-axis machining. You will learn the graphical user interface of the prismatic machining workbench and creation of rough stock. You will learn to perform facing, pocketing and drilling operations in prismatic machining workbench. The course will cover how to perform replay tool path simulations of pocketing. In addition, we will discuss about how to generate NC program. Associated with each chapter, there will be exercises, and in this course, there are 4 exercises for you to practice which are available in the downloadable exercises. You can download these exercises and practice repeatedly so that you will be able to get some hands-on experience in CATIA V5 3-axis milling machining and reinforce what you have learned in this course. CATIA V5 3-axis milling machining course will help you to have a deeper understanding of machining process and 3-axis milling machining. You will learn to create PPR structure and perform part and milling operations and will be able to simulate the machining operations. You will be able to generate NC program. EDST e-learning is an online learning platform developed by EDS Technologies, leveraging 25 years of experience as the leading engineering and PLM solutions company. Once you complete the course, you can avail the course completion certificate. Enroll for the course and enjoy the learning experience.